Water candles look impressive, but they are surprisingly easy to make. So let's start. How to make water candles. Find a pretty glass container to use for your candle. Keep it simple with glass marbles. You can find these in the floral section of an arts and crafts store. Create an elegant jar by filling it with flowers. Cut the blooms off of real flowers, or pull them off of fake ones. Use thinly sliced citrus fruit for a colorful jar. Tint the water with food coloring for a unique effect. Create an underwater scene with sand, plastic fish, and shells. Fill the bottom quarter of your jar with light-colored sand. Fill the jar with other items that match your decor. Crumble the wax off of a birthday candle. You can use a brand new birthday candle. Soak the wick in oil for 2 minutes. Cut a circle out of clear plastic that fits inside your jar. You can get this plastic from anywhere, such as a plastic bottle. Poke a hole in the middle of the circle, then cut a slit. Place the circle on top of a piece of craft foam. Insert the wick into the hole, then slide it into the slit, the bottom 1/4 inch. Pour water into the jar, leaving 1 inch of space at the top. This will give you enough room for the oil. Pour in the oil until it's 1/3 to 1/2 inch, 0.85 to 1.27 centimeters deep. Set the wick on top of the oil. Set the candle down onto a heat-safe surface. Light the wick. You can do this with a lighter or match. Make sure that you only light the wick, otherwise the oil layer may also ignite. Thanks for watching this video.